If you have ever tried to get insurance for a rental property through a traditional carrier, you know the drill. It's 3 days of phone tag, a 10-page PDF application, and a quote that usually misses one thing you actually need: loss of rent coverage. Today we are looking at Steadily. They have been making waves for being a digital-first landlord insurer, recently landing a 4.5-star rating from USA Today for their customer service. But does the tech actually live up to the hype for serious investors? We are breaking down the coverage, the claims process, and the battle of the quotes to see if you should make the switch. So what makes Steadily different? Most insurance companies are built for homeowners. They treat landlord insurance as a side project. Steadily is the opposite. They were built from the ground up specifically for non-owner occupied properties. That means their underwriting is designed for long-term rentals, short-term rentals such as AirBNBs and VRBOs, fix and flips, or vacant properties under renovation, older properties that the big box carriers often reject. The big claim is that you can get a quote in under a minute. I did some testing with my own rental properties and the numbers are fairly accurate because Steadily actually pulls the property data such as the year it was built, the roof type, square footage. It automatically fills in all this information, so you don't have to sit through an hour-long application. You can literally get all the information in minutes. Pro tip: even though the quoting process is extremely fast, you should always double check to see if you have loss of rent selected. Steadily automatically selects the default standard amount, but if your property has high cash flow, you'll want to manually adjust that to ensure your mortgage is covered if the building becomes uninhabitable. Now let's talk about the big four in their policies. Number one, liability protection. This is your shield if a tenant or guest gets injured. Steadily offers specialized legal liability that covers attorney fees and settlements up to your limit. Number two is water damage. They cover sudden events like burst pipes. But like almost all carriers, flood from rising groundwater requires a separate policy. Number three, vandalism and burglary. This is crucial for landlords. Many standard policies limit this if the property is vacant for more than 30 days. Steadily has a specific option for those between tenant windows. Number four, loss of rental income. This is the MVP. If a fire happens, the insurance pays for the repairs and pays you the rent you're losing while the work is being done. In my opinion, this is one of the best features that they offer. So if you want to take advantage of all the benefits that Steadily offers and you want to get a fast quote in minutes, I do have a link for Steadily in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. But no company is perfect. Let's talk about some cons. While Steadily was specifically designed for landlords and rental properties, that does not mean that they will have the cheapest price for every single property. When I personally got some quotes for 7 different properties, 5 of them had amazing rates with Steadily. The other 2 were pretty much the same as I was paying previously. So what I ended up doing was simply switching the 5 rental properties that were way cheaper with Steadily. The other 2 I left them with the other carrier. But in a couple of months, I will get another quote to see if the rates change. So the point of this is to shop around. Make sure you get quotes from multiple companies and simply go with the one that gives you the best coverage. So who should actually use a Steadily insurance? Steadily, in my opinion, is a must try if you are an AirBNB/VRB host who needs specialized short-term rental coverage. You are a landlord of 1 property or 100 properties who wants to manage the properties in one digital dashboard instead of filling cabinets full of paper. Also, if you are doing a quick flip and you need coverage extremely fast instead of waiting for days with other carriers. But here's the bottom line: insurance is a major expense that you need to take into consideration. If you haven't shopped for rates over the last 12 months, you're likely overpaying for outdated tech. Steadily's biggest value isn't just the price, it's the landlord resource hub. They give you access to lease templates and eviction notices that usually cost hundreds in legal fees. So if you want to see what your specific number looks like, I'll put a link for Steadily in the description. It takes about 60 seconds, it doesn't hit your credit, and it gives you a baseline to see if your current carrier is actually treating you right. Check your Steadily quote today. So if this deep dive helped you protect your investment, hit the like button and subscribe. That is all I have for this quick video. See you in the next one. Peace out.